Hello everyone, this is Ruby from Ruby Artist Studio. Welcome to my channel. I have a new collection ready for you, and it is the collection of fruits and vegetables. First video is going to be a cherry, so I hope you enjoyed the video and you grab some pencils and start drawing with me. As always, as we have had in other videos, we are going to start with a milder color, which in this case is a pink color. This is a color that is going to be the base of our drawing, and then after that we apply other colors on top of each other. According to this side where the light is coming, we should take care of not putting the color everywhere, because some parts are obviously going to be brighter than the others. Not necessarily the first layer that we put is going to be the most evident color that we see in our reference photo. So for example, a cherry is red, but we use very bright pink as the kind of basic color, and then I'm putting the red on top of it, and later even darker colors. This is the way we can get the 3D image on a 2D paper. The more smooth you are putting the color, the higher is the chance of removing any possible mistakes, because especially when we are dealing with darker colors, sometimes it is possible to put more color than it's needed, but because the basic rule for us was to play very smoothly, we can remove it as easy as possible. And we are going to use unexpected color in different fruits. So for example, a cherry is red, but sometimes to show it much more kind of nice and much more realistic, I'm going to use, for example, now I'm using the dark purple, and in different fruits we are going to use so many unexpected color, and all of those are to show the final drawing much more realistic and much better. And I would like to remind you that all of these videos are kind of very short videos, so of course if we have more time, we can be much more detailed, but as a video that is going to be very short, we are trying, I'm trying my best in order to get that 3D look in the shortest amount of time possible. It is optional to put the shadow of your fruit or just to ignore it. I decided to put the shadow for the cherry, and I create the shadow with normally using 2 or 3 different gray colors, and it comes along your fruit, and it is basically very simple. In the other video I will show you how not to put the shadow and still have a 3D look. always try to blend the kind of very bright part with a white color pencil in order to have it very smooth in those areas. And at the end it's coming the small stick that is attached to the cherry with combining some different combination of green colors, and also some gray in some point. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I will be very happy to hear your suggestions and hear your comments, and see you in the next week's video.